Hello everyone, I'm Elaine Adal from the Mastermind Hub co-working space, and today I'm going to teach you on how to write your curriculum vitae using Google template. The first step is to go to google.com. Make sure that you are logged in on your Google account. Click this and click on the Drive option. Click on the new option, press on Google Docs, and choose the form a template. As you can see, there are a lot of templates here in Google Docs, such as resume, letters, personal, work, and so much more. But since we're going to do a curriculum vitae, let's pick on resume. You can now see on your workspace the template that you have chosen for your resume. You can now start editing your resume. For example, your name. As you can see at the top, there are a lot of options that you can choose as you edit your resume. You can edit its font size, font color, spacing, highlights, and so much more. You can even add links on your resume with a title provided. You can also add your photo on your resume. On this section, you can edit your personal information like your name, address, contact number, and email. As you can see on the left corner, the headings for your resume are also there. You can also edit on that part. Now, you can edit your skills, experience, education, and awards. To share your work to other people, you can press on the share button. Just copy the link and share it to other people. As you can see here, there are a lot of options where you can also edit your resume. For example, the edit, the view, insert, format, tools, adds on, and help. If you're done editing your resume, you can now save it. Press on the file and download. Here you can choose among the options what type of file you want your resume to be saved. Let's choose the PDF document. Now, wait for your resume to be downloaded at your device. This is now your final result for your resume. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something. Don't forget to like our page, like and share this video. Bye!